Our protagonist is a young woman. She's a scientist who's always been fascinated with time travel. She's been working on a secret project in her lab, and today, she has successfully created a time machine. See a close-up shot of a young woman holding a time machine gadget in her hands. In her excitement, she doesn't wait to test it. She steps into it and turns the time dial 15 minutes back. As the time machine powers on, she suddenly feels it going out of control, and the next thing she knows, she wakes up in a different place altogether, 15 minutes back in time. As our protagonist tried to comprehend what just happened, she realizes that she's back in time, but things around her have changed. The world looks different, and it's not just a change in the timeline. There are new people, new buildings, new surroundings, and new possibilities. See a wide angle shot of the changed world where the protagonist is now. The woman decides to explore this new world, and as she does so, she meets new friends, new characters, and uncovers secrets that she never could have even imagined. As our protagonist digs deeper into this new world, she discovers a mystery that needs her to solve it. She finds out about a sinister plot by some criminals that would lead to dire consequences if left unresolved. A shot of the criminals hatching their plan. The woman must unravel the plot and save the world from imminent doom. It's a race against time, as she must accomplish this task within the 15-minute window she has. As the clock ticks and the time runs out, the protagonist has to use all her wit and intelligence to solve the mystery and thwart the criminal's plan. With all the clues she has gathered along the way and some intense action sequences, she finally solves the puzzle. A fast-paced action shot of the protagonist trying to stop the criminals. With the mystery solved, the world is saved, and our protagonist is ready to return to the present. She steps into the time machine once again and turns the dial back to where it was before. A close-up shot of the time dial as she fixes it back to its original position. The time machine whirs to life, and she finds herself back in her lab, just as she was 15 minutes ago. But things are not quite the same anymore. She has been on an incredible journey, and it's a memory that she'll always treasure.